people used to think, oh, there's lots of symmetric clusters in nature because somehow symmetry gives you some advantage. We're saying actually, no, it's simpler. It turns out that if you remember that you're searching in the space of the algorithms rather than search in the space of shapes, then you're much more likely to make something symmetric than something that's not symmetric. So what we then basically, we show this in some theoretical models, then we show it for real proteins and for RNA and for every other molecules. And this explains patterns of nature extremely nicely without having to worry about natural selection at all. It's not that natural selection isn't working. It's just that the reason for the symmetry is not natural selection, but the fact that symmetric things are easier to make. So it's as simple as that.